Hey, this is Mike. This is my channel, 54James6578, and I'm here with Mike, and this is his car for sale. Mike, why don't you tell me about your car?
Hi, thanks a lot. Yeah, it's a 1964 Chevy Impala. It is a true factory SS package with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 327 engine. Runs like a top, drives great. It's a good daily driver. It looks much better than it should look for a daily driver, and it's a really fun car to enjoy. I got it listed for $38,000. And I'm negotiable, but I'm not stupid. So please hit me up. The phone number is in the video. That is my cell phone, and feel free to call me for more information. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Mike.